Did you know that there are more stars in the Milky Way than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? And around many of those stars, planets orbit. Some are frozen wastelands, some are scorched by fire. But some sit in that fragile, golden region we call the habitable zone, where liquid water could flow. Statistically, the numbers are staggering. If even a fraction of those planets host life, the galaxy should be teeming with it. And yet, silence. No radio signals, no spacecraft sightings, not even the faintest whisper from the stars. This is the Fermi Paradox. If life is common, why don't we see it? This is a question that has haunted astronomers, philosophers, and dreamers alike. In 2015, NASA's Kepler mission spotted a faint dimming of light from a red dwarf star. That star was K218, 120 light-years away in Leo, and orbiting it, a super-Earth, later named K218b. It was intriguing but distant. We knew little. Fast forward to September 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden mirrors toward this world. What it found sent ripples through the scientific community. Methane, carbon dioxide, and far less ammonia than expected. That cocktail suggests something extraordinary. Perhaps a liquid ocean beneath a hydrogen-rich sky. And then came whispers of something else. Dimethyl sulfide. On Earth, it's produced only by living things in the oceans, not proof of life. But a tantalizing clue. Suddenly, K218b wasn't just another rock. It became one of the most promising candidates for alien habitability we've ever seen. Imagine Earth but scaled up. K218b is nearly 9 times our planet's mass. We don't know for sure, but it might have crushing gravity. Its skies could be thick with haze. A day there might look nothing like a day here, but if it has oceans, the possibilities multiply. Because where we find water on Earth, in deep-sea vents, ice caves, even acidic lakes, we find life. And if K218b hosts life-related gases, it hints that Earth might not be unique at all. That raises a bigger question. If planets like this are already showing signs of habitability, then why aren't we hearing from intelligent neighbors? Are we missing the signals? Or are they not there at all? Some scientists point to the Great Filter, an invisible barrier that life struggles to cross. Maybe it's behind us. The evolutionary leap from single-celled life to complex organisms could be unimaginably rare. Or maybe the filter lies ahead. Perhaps advanced civilizations tend to destroy themselves. Nuclear war, climate collapse, runaway AI. Others imagine a different answer. Maybe advanced civilizations follow a cosmic rulebook, with their prime directive being to watch but never interfere. That might explain the silence. Or maybe, we're just in the wrong part of the timeline. Civilizations might bloom and die like fireworks. If we missed their light show, we'd never know they existed. And then there's the simplest idea. Space is big, unimaginably big. Even if 1,000 civilizations were out there, the distances might be so vast we'd never meet. This mystery isn't just theory, we've had moments of hope. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a powerful 72-second signal. Astronomer Jerry Amon circled it and wrote a single word, "Wow," but it never returned. In 2015, Russian astronomers thought they'd detected a signal from a nearby star. The world held its breath. It turned out to be a military satellite. Even the strange dimming of Tabby's star, once thought to hint at alien megastructures, was explained by dust. Each time, excitement builds. Each time, nature reminds us how tricky the search really is. K218b could be our next wow, or it could be the one that finally proves us right. So, what happens now? Astronomers will keep pointing jwst at K218b, looking for repeated chemical signatures, watching for patterns that can't be explained by chemistry alone. Future telescopes, like the Habitable Worlds Observatory, could even capture direct images. Imagine seeing the outline of continents, or clouds, on a planet 120 light-years away. Space agencies are also studying missions to send probes to nearby star systems. Not tomorrow, not even this century, but one day, humanity might sail starships powered by light or fusion. And when we arrive, will we find oceans filled with alien plankton? Or silence once again? The Fermi Paradox forces us to face 2 breathtaking possibilities. 1, we are alone. The first spark of intelligence in this galaxy. A fragile flame in a vast dark sea. Or 2, we are not alone. But the universe is filled with civilizations hidden beyond our reach. Both answers are profound, both change how we see ourselves, and both push us to keep searching. Because the search itself shapes us. It drives us to innovate, to look beyond our own world, and to treasure the one we already have. So what do you think? Will K218b be the world that finally answers the question of whether we're alone? Or will it join the long list of mysteries that deepen the silence? Let us know in the comments. And remember, keep looking up, because the next answer might already be on its way to us.
Thanks for watching. This is 60-second knowledge now extended, because curiosity doesn't stop at 60 seconds. Subscribe on YouTube and follow us on TikTok.